Hello everyone, I'm Atunda Kaur from GT Marketing in Engiexpo. For the last 20 years, we are dedicated to provide professional sales and services to our welding customers. And we specialize in welding machines, power tools, abrasives, gas cutting products. We're providing reliable products and dedicated support to our welding customers. It's a pleasure to share that I'm the authorized distributor of Panasonic Welding and Robotic Division in Rajasthan. And we are also associated with Polymac, North, Abigor Benjil, Arkin. We take a pride in serving a diverse portfolio of esteemed clients like PST Corby, Mendico, Tata DFT, Mahindra, Ashok Leyland, Azad, Black Diamond, etc. and many more. We are pleased to inform you that we are planning to open a FATC, and we look forward to providing enhanced services and support to this initiative. And Engiexpo is a great platform to showcase your brand, and you get exposure to relevant high-value leads and business opportunities through this platform. We are also participating in Engiexpo, and our stall number is D27.